of the questions that I'm frequently asked when doing a consultation, and I recommend using beard hair to be placed into the scalp, is whether it will look natural or not. First off, it's very rare that I would use beard hair as a standalone graft source. We generally will take some from the beard and some from the head donor and mix them. And when you do that, it produces a very natural look. When we do more concentrated beard extraction and placement, especially for those that say have had hair transplantations back in the 80s and 90s and have a very depleted donor site with scarring and have a need for a significant amount of hair, we can still do and have great results with large beard extraction cases. And even though there may be a coarseness difference between the transplanted hair and the head hair, it is very rare that I have patients complain about this from a look standpoint. There can be obviously a different feel when you put your hand through your head if it's densely packed, but when we mix it in with head hair, there's really no significant feel difference when you run your hands through your head, and from an appearance standpoint, it is not distinguishable. Does beard hair look natural when transplanted to the scalp? The answer is yes. To find out, book a consultation with me right now.